Hello, welcome to our Wednesday webinar. Today you're going to see how to set up your TrunOPT for your panel optimization, as well as to print out the labels with or without barcodes. All what we need to consider, I show you in this webinar. When there are any questions, just let me know. I will always keep an eye on a chat. You see here in the preview the panel, and that is also a new function that you have the same proportion like your sizes of your panels are. Okay, so first of all, I will close this, and here we can print the labels. Later on, I will also talk about how to set up the labels. In this case, we close it first of all, and we start a new project. So first of all, we have a new function that you can also use like an endless label printer with only one column. Therefore, we make a CSV file export. I will also show you later on how to get this. And until now, we needed to have like a PDF file with 2 columns. But now I show you how to get out the labels with 1 column for an endless label printer. But what you need to consider is that formatting is not made in TrunCAD itself. We only export the CSV file, and in a label printer itself, you set up your labels. Okay, so first of all, what is to consider in TrunOPT is that you have the right material set. Therefore, we click here on the material set, and I choose here the Agar white board and just click on here, and we open the material set. The material set consists of the edge bandings and the thickness of the edge bandings, as well as the panel. Now, when we click here on the 3-dot button, a new window is opening. Here we see the name of the panel. Here's the thickness. If it's important to you, the price. So here you have the link to the texture, and here you have the raw length and the raw width of your panel. And here you can activate rotatable or not. That is important to consider. Then it will also be considered in the panel optimization, especially when you have like a wood texture. So in this case, it's not so important because it's for horizontal and vertical the same, because it's white. Okay, and what is also to consider is the thickness of the edge banding. I will also show you later on here, because we have like a finish length and a finish width, and also when I choose here the right layout, the cutting length. I don't have the finish length in here, but I show you also. I just edit this to show you this. That is also the way how to customize your cutting list. I will save this, So, and close this and load it again. Now you see here the finish links and the cutting links. We have here 5 millimeter difference. When you go here in CNC setup on the 3-dot button, you click here on the CNC editor on the formatting tab, and here you can choose do you want to have additional links always or not. You can say also 0, and when we close this, you see here it's same. And also to consider the edge bendings, we have here this 74 and here also this, and when we change the material, if we have like for the side, we have here 1090 and here 550. So I go back to here. When we make a pre-milling on the edge bending, and we choose here a different material. So now so then the cutting length and cutting width is a bit lower. It's 4 mil less because we have on both sides, on the front and back, 2 millimeter edge bending. You see here. When we don't pre-mill it, the cutting length is a bit shorter. That we can add the edge bending, but when we activate your pre-milling on edge bender and close it, then the cutting length and finish length is the same because it will be pre-milled on the edge bending of the 2 millimeter, and also we in the step after we add the 2 millimeter edge bending. That is important to consider for your CNC and TrunOPT setup. All right, I think that is clear so far. Keep it in mind to consider it. All right, now I just add here a vertical and a few horizontals, and a front as well. And I will copy this cabinet. So, and we are having a look in TrunOPT. When we click now here in TrunOPT, data export, and now here on TrunOPT, we will create an own list for TrunOPT, and here the printing preview is opening. So you see here, I haven't called our project. I will show you later on also how to do this. Now it's empty. We see here the dimension of our panel, and now the panel has also the same proportion. So we have here saw mass means the hem dimension, and we can also set up the hem dimension here on the edges. It's here 20 mil, as well as the thickness of the saw blade. Yeah, I show you later on in a TrunOPT ini file where to do it, yeah, what to change. You see also we have here two boards of the Agar White 9mm boards. Yeah, here you see the same information like here. So when we go to the next page, yeah, it's here the second page, and here we have the Agar White board 18mm, and you see we need 1 of 6. You see also here how many percentage we are using of the panel, and the rest is waste. Yeah, it's like 7.5% waste. You see here the information, the list, because when it's too small, we don't have it here. Yeah, so that is a preview. You can go through it. Yeah, you see here that this is now the 4th panel of 6. Yeah, and here we see also we have page 4 of this. You can go through it, and that is it. So you can here click on print the document. You can choose your printer, or you click here on print Microsoft Print to PDF, click OK, and then you can save it in your folder with your name of the file. Yeah, I don't gonna save it now. I canceled it. It doesn't let me cancel it, so I call it here test. So save it. So, and to get labels, we need to close it, and then we get question print the labels, and here we click on yeah, which means yes, and then our labels are getting created. Yeah, you see here the name of the customer and the commission is still empty, and I show you also a previous webinar where we focused on how to set up your labels. Yeah, you see here there are all important information about the name of the part, the material, so the dimension, the ID number. You see we don't have the barcode in here yet, because to get the barcode we need to have first the CNC export with name and pathway of the files. So, but you see here the information about the edges, and I will keep in mind that the customer and commission is empty. I will close it. Yeah, and we are going in the folder. Yeah, here in the TrunCAD folder. It's Windows C software, and here in the TrunCAD folder, we are looking for the TrunOPT ini file. So I need to scroll down a bit. Yeah, you see here is the TrunOPT ini file. You just need to double click in here. Then the TrunOPT ini file gets opened. And here is the setup of your labels. And here's the setup of your printer. And here's a setup of the TrunOPT. Here's a setup of the hem dimension and the thickness. That here is the 20 mm hem dimension around the panel, and that is the thickness of the saw blade. So I show you also here in the folder, because we have a PDF file. The PDF file is called TrunOPT English. Now when we open this, that is a documentation about the TrunOPT file. So you see in here everything important. Yeah, you see here how many columns we have. That are 2 in this case. Here you see what it means, and here you see the picture. Yeah, you can define the distance from the beginning of the sheet, the distance from the end, the distance of the left and right side. Now, when you go here a bit further, you can choose the dimension of the labels itself. Yeah, it's all explained in here. I have also made a webinar about this. It's from, I think, 2022 or 2023. I show you here. Yeah, you find it. I show you in TrunCAD. Now when we go back to TrunCAD, when you click here on help and here on free tutorial, our online academy is opening, and you just click here on start our webinars. And then you see here the latest webinars here. The last one was about our new functions. Here's about the pocket milling. So when we scroll here a bit down, we have here the TrunOPT setting of the panel optimization and labels. Here I was focusing on the setup for the labels. I've made it here, and you find the documentary also in this PDF file. And when we scroll down, you see also horizontal first, yes or no. Then you see here the horizontal cuts are done first and then the verticals, or if you don't want to have it, you change. It's the other way. So here you have the distance to cut the edge of the raw panel, and here's the thickness of the saw blades. Now when we go back here to the TrunOPT file, you have it here. That is here horizontal first, and that the panels are proportional. You need to type in here plate. That is a German plate proportional. That's similar like English. It's 1. Then you get also a proportional panel. So we have also here what you can add a bit more. So you can also add here like Y Spiegel. It means mirroring. I will show you later on. And here Zugabe L means addition of the links, and Zugabe B means additional width. When you want to have additional links and width of your parts. You can also type it in here in the TrunOPT ini file. Okay, I will close this, save this and close this, and minimize it. Yeah, this you can check out. Here's the PDF file, which you find here, TrunOPT ini English in the TrunCAD 20XX folder, and it's also explained here in this webinar. So here you see also the barcodes. Yeah, because they are standard designed barcodes, and it's also explained in the webinars how to use which barcode. I will minimize it now, and we are going here to the Room tab, and here you can type in the name of the customer. I just call it now webinar, and the project info or the commission, it will be TrunOPT. So now we are going here on data export, and now I will make CNC export first, because we need to have the CNC files with the pathway first, and then we will get our barcodes. So it's now calculating, and here we can also see the folder where our files are. In this case, that are MPR files for woodwork. I just close it now, and we click now on TrunOPT again. And you see here our project name is webinar. We have our date, and here we have our information about the panel. So we can here also click through it. And when we type in spiegeln equals 10, then you will see later on, I show it to you in a few minutes, you will start on the bottom left, yeah, and we have the waist on the top. So yeah, that are our panels, and when we close it and we print the labels, yeah, you see they are coming with the barcodes, and you see here also the customer is webinar and the commission is TrunOPT. Yeah, you have here the materials, that is the back. The back doesn't has edge bendings. Yeah, and here you have also, when you have edge bendings, also the name of the edge bendings for all parts. All right. So we are going to close this, and we are going back to the TrunOPT ini file. So that is here. So when you say y spiegeln equals 10, and we close it, save it and close it, and then we click here on TrunOPT, Then you see here they are fixed on the bottom, and we have our waste here on top. Yeah, that is just the difference. So we're going to close it, print our labels. How to see it again. And here we need to get the CNC files first, because here we have also the name of our CNC files. Yeah, and that's why we need to click export CNC first, that we get our barcodes. All right, I just check my list if I have everything. And yeah, the last one is we going back to the file here. That is what I wanted to show you. Yeah, that is here the address active barcodes, and here you see the value barcode equals 14, means the code 128. Now when you go here on active barcode.de/codes, yeah, that is this one, and here that is the code 128. Yeah, and you see here the different codes, yeah, like coda bar. You see here the differences. Yeah, here's like code 39. That would be here when you type in equals 6, then you will get this code. Yeah, or code 25, it's here with equals number 9. That is how it works. I think that is also clear. So last but not least, I want to show you how to get the CSV file. Yeah, I don't save it now. We are going here to our TrunCAD folder back. Yeah, and when you go here, it means cutting list sort, and it's always getting overwritten. Yeah, you see we have now it's got overwritten 3 past 5, 3 past 3. Now it's 3 past 6. Now when you click here on Zuschnitt list sort.csv, it means cutting list sort. When we double click it, you get here the list, what you can export to your endless label printer with one column. Now you can export this list, and you can set up your labels in your printer after you got this list here. Yeah, you see here also the pathway. You get here the pathway as well. So, and what is to consider, because that is getting overwritten, when we go now back to TrunOPT and you click now, you want to make a panel optimization again. When you click on here, there's coming a runtime error, permission denied, because this is still open. Yeah, the cutting list sort, you need to close it. Yeah, and we don't gonna save it. Yeah, we add here one more cabinet. So, and when you click now on TrunOPT, yeah, you get here the panel optimization. So, and when you export your labels to endless label printer with one column, you don't need to get here the labels. You click on No, and then you go here in the TrunCAD folder, and you see now it's 8 past 3. Yes, it is now our new CSV file, which you can export to your endless label printer with only one column. Yeah, and then you can format your labels in the software of the printer. All right, that is it for our webinar today. Yeah, I was a bit more detailed about the setup of the labels in the webinar here. Yeah, when you go here on Starter Webinars, just scroll down here to the TrunOPT setting of panel optimization and labels, and find the PDF as well as the TrunOPT ini file, and then you can set up, you can make your own setup. All right, thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to our next webinar. So take care and see you. Bye-bye.